Welcome to beach iPhone photography with Dave in the northwest of England. Even though my iPhone has an ultra-wide camera built in, I won't use it when I want a wider field of view, because while it delivers the focal length, for me there's just too much distortion and a drop in image quality to get there. Plus, it can sometimes be too wide. Thankfully then, I have this, the REEFLEX Pro Series 18mm ultra-wide lens. I just screw it onto the REEFLEX case over the wide camera and I'm good to go. I've now got the quality of the wide camera with a much wider field of view, so I can capture the overall scene without compromising the finer details. And things only get better once we start to lose the light. In conditions like these, the built-in ultra-wide starts to completely fall apart because of its small aperture, whereas the REEFLEX Pro Series ultra-wide still looks fantastic.